Hello friends, I am coming with LCM and SCF mnemonics. छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ. Least common multiple छोटे मियाँ. Highest common factor बड़े मियाँ. And you will find that this mnemonic is very interesting and you will be able to find the LCM and SCF in चुटकियों में. कोई टाइम नहीं लगेगा कैलकुलेशन करने में, गलती नहीं होगी. So this mnemonic you must learn properly so that you are able to attempt questions in your competition exams, and particularly for class 10th. This is a good mnemonic to find the LCM and SCM. I'll come with my notes. Hello friends, I have come up with my notes. Look here, there is a छोटे मियाँ and बड़े मियाँ. छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ दोनों का फोटो देख लो. दिस इज छोटे मियाँ एंड दिस इज बड़े मियाँ. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल LCM इज कॉल्ड छोटे मियाँ. हेयर बड़े मियाँ कौन है? हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इज बड़े मियाँ. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द LCM and SCF? Now we'll go ahead with the help of an example. Let the example be, find the LCM and SCF of 336 and 54. Now the solution is like this. We'll go ahead with prime factorization of both the numbers. So first number is 336 and the second number is 54. Let us go for prime factorization. Look here, prime factorization of 336 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 raised to power 4. And 3 raised to power 1 and 7 raised to power 1. These are the prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, 3 1 time, 7 1 time, 3 1 time, 7 1 time. And what about 54? The factorization of 54 is here. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times 3. So 2 into 3 times 3. So this is 2 into 3 times 3. 2 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 3, and there is no 7, so 7 raised to power 0. अब ये जो छोटे मियाँ हैं, छोटे मियाँ की ताकत ज़्यादा होती है. छोटा मियाँ चाहे तो अकबर की मूँछों को भी पकड़ सकता है, और बड़े मियाँ तो बड़े मियाँ, उनकी ताकत तो बहुत कम होती है. फिजिकली उनकी ताकत बहुत कम होती है. Now we'll go ahead with this. हमें छोटे मियाँ निकालना है, LCM निकालना है. ताकत ज़्यादा, पावर ज़्यादा, 2 raised to power 4 और 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 4 is having more power. Similarly, 3 raised to power 3 is having more power. Instead of 3 raised to power 1 is smaller, 3 raised to power 3 is bigger. पावर ज़्यादा है, ये वाली लेनी है. छोटे मियाँ की ताकत ज़्यादा है, पावर ज़्यादा है. Similarly, 7 raised to power 1. This comes out 3024. Similarly, now let us choose बड़े मियाँ. ताकत कम, पावर कम, 2 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 1. 7 raised to power 0. Whatsoever is the lesser power, you have to take for बड़े मियाँ, and whatever is the power is more, wherever the power is more, you have to take for छोटे मियाँ. So the answer comes 3024 is the LCM and 6 is the SCF. That's all. It's very, very easy to remember छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ for LCM and SCF. This technique is very interesting and question हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night. If you like my videos, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much.